Okay. Hey, not too much. Are you shaking your butt at me? You must be getting better if you can shake your butt. Are you Gangnam Style yet?
No.
Not yet. Okay, say hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Say thanks for my stuff.
Thanks for my stuff.
Do you like being in hospital?
Yeah.
Why do you like being in hospital?
I don't.
You don't. Does hospital suck? Do you miss school? What do you miss about school? What do you miss from school, Peyton? Peyton Thomas. Hey, what do you miss from school?
I don't know. Just my friend.
You miss your friends? Hey, you nearly hit me.
Let's do it.
You goober. Peyton Thomas.